Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase panel van. It's also a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 70 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had all its 141 mechanical, electrical, visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will see front fog lights and front parking sensors. In the centre grille, you will notice two nice chrome strips. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van again, you will notice that this van is fitted with 16-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. Moving up to the mirrors, you will notice the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. Also, the mirrors on this van are heated and power folding. This is ideal for leaving the van on a busy road and for cold winter months. Also, to this side of the vehicle, you will see a manual sliding door. Moving into the load area, you will notice a bulkhead to the back of the front seat. As I pan the video camera around, you will notice that the back of the load area is wood ply-lined, including the floor. To the back of the Transporter, you will notice rear barn doors without windows. As we move across the rear bumper, you will see reverse parking sensors. This van is also fitted with standard rear tail lights. You'll also notice a Transporter badge and a VW emblem on the rear doors. Moving into the load area again, you will notice that the wood ply lining has been professionally fitted. Moving across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. On both doors, you will see these door release catches, and this is the advantage of the catch. This van is painted in a metallic paint, which is Ravenna Blue. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. As we move across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. To the back of the van, you will notice the bulkhead again. It's also fitted with 3 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. The driver's seat also has 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. I've now finished my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior cab and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in a driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. This van is fitted with auto headlights. To this side of the steering wheel, you will notice multimedia switches. To this side, you will notice cruise control. This van has covered 7,569 miles. Using the switches on this side of the steering wheel, you can change settings on the instrument cluster. If I go back into the audio section, I'd like to show you can change the radio stations if needed. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which is down here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here, with a 12-volt socket. This system is also fitted with Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system is also fitted with App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your smartphone. My favourites at the moment is Waze for maps and my downloaded music app. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will see that this system is fitted with park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this van is fitted with a heated front windscreen for cold winter months. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And lastly, here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. And now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase panel van. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 70 plate van, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. You could also ask the salesperson to book a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options that are on offer if needed. And thank you for watching.